Here's how you can make this person in gacha online. For some reason, you guys didn't choose nothing on community post. And it seemed like you guys didn't even choose anything. So, for me, I chose random. So, now, front hair, 19. I chose now. So that's what happens. So, real hair, 8. Back hair, 1200 and 490. Oh, I passed it. Shirt, 600 and 555. Eyes, 78. Sleeve, 24. Pants, 1. Shoe, 444. Dude, 460. Scarf, 18. Okay, here's the color. Front hair is black. Back hair is this. Shirt is white. Shoe is white. Color 2 is this color. Oh yeah, and let's not forget, I gotta make it into. Oh yeah, gloves, 30. Wait, no, nose. Face AC1, 2573, and that's the same as the skin color, and you're finished now.